onions and mushrooms smells of the kitchen, and everybody feel you could cook. So Joe, where you cooking there?
Even if they taste it or
Taste it.
after.
Once you smell onions in the kitchen, God, that's smelling good. So when I hear that first time, I say, any dish I make it,
I put it on there.
I must start with onions. Onions and garlic.
Yeah, definitely.
Salt and pepper. Lady, I am so happy that you know. Let's talk about the fact that you don't have your own street in Woodbrook. you, Marshall, the keys to the city, and he gave you your own street.
Elizabeth Street.
Elizabeth Street.
You can't get it better than that.
So when I saw that, at first I said, wait. But it was just you guys having fun on Marshall's,
On my birthday.
on your birthday. On Marshall's birthday, yeah, Marshall, that's cool.
No, Marshall is Saturday.
It's
And his
Saturday.
is the 24th.
So on your birthday, he took you out. And
Yeah,
you
we
all-
went
oh,
walking, our
right.
usual walk around the park.
Yeah. And you're very active on Instagram, lady, I must say. Sometimes that was you put it up or Marshall put it up?
Marshall put it up and I
Yeah.
put it up.
And you put it
I do
up.
my own, yeah.
You do your own thing?
I do my own Instagram.
Yeah. You enjoy that in terms of, I mean, social media now is such a,
No, well, I do mine with a purpose.
right.
If you look at the things that I post,
Mm-hmm.
right, I will post my family, I post my business, I
Yes.
post my friends, I
Right.
post inspirational things. You wouldn't see anything overboard. I don't think, that is appropriate. So if you look at my page, you can enjoy it.
I do. So that's why when I saw Elizabeth Street, I thought there was a
There was Elizabeth,
I-
Elizabeth
there
Street.
was a
So who
street
said
called-
there are many Elizabeth Streets.
streets all over the place. So, challenge number 2. I'm doing a second vegan dish.
Okay.
You eat sweet potato.
Oh, yes,
So
I
provision,
definitely
that's
do.
what you mentioned, provision.
Yes, provision is good. Root
Root
dishes
vegetables.
give you your fiber.
Right. So sweet potato is the base of this dish. And I think it's such a wonderful dish that you can put on your Christmas table.
Yes.
If you're vegan or even if you're trying to eat a little healthy as well. and
It gives you that fiber that you need. Yeah.
Sweet potato is the base, and many people actually substitute sweet potato now for actual potatoes because
Right. Yeah,
complex
well,
carbs, it's much better, and that kind of thing. All I'm doing here really is kind of pulling together a little onions and mushrooms
Okay,
to
good.
go with the sweet potatoes, a little layer of flavor. So I have,
And the onions smelling good
and
already.
the onions smelling good. So I'm adding a little green seasonings and some rosemary, and I just want to get going there. Did I salt and pepper? I can't remember if I salt and pepper.
Yes.
I did.
Yes, I did. But because I also limit the salt,
And
so they
that's
are.
why I asked. I say if I salt and pepper again and you taste it and then high blood pressure and
No. That is the one good thing, eh? I have the blood pressure of a teenager.
you serious?
I am. No, seriously.
Yeah, that's very good. That's very good. This one, I don't know if you've ever seen this. So this new product on the market called Violife. This is the actual a cheddar flavor.
Okay.
I also have a wedge. Different flavorings, and it is free from dairy, soy, gluten, lactose, nuts, as well as preservatives. So
Very good. My
free of
kind
all
of
that.
food.
You can use this as a cheese alternative. And I think this is what I'm going to do because I want to do a sweet potato baked melty type of dish that you can have with your Christmas
And
table.
I could use this with pasta too.
You could use it with pasta. Anyhow you would use any other cheese, you could you can use this. So I have everything kind of set here. I'm gonna just simply now pull together this dish. So simple boiled sweet potatoes that I want to just kind of lay in a greased dish. So you could give it a little mash if you want, but it's just really just to create a nice little base. And then I want to take this onion and mushroom mixture. So you could use here whatever actually you have in your pantry. If you have peppers, whatever it is, it's just to give it a nice little layer of nice bold flavor. Spread that out like that, get it all mixed in. And then I am using the Violife wedge.
Wedge.
And this Violife wedge is almost like a Parmesan flavored.
It's good.
almost Parmesan flavored. Almost Parmesan flavored.
Oh yeah. Tastes good too.
And I just want to grate. So once you have your Violife wedge in every nook and cranny, you're good to go. And this bakes in the oven for no more than about 15-20 minutes.
Right.
Just until your cheese is all melted.
Right.
And
Looks
then
good.
we're ready. So there you have it, guys. Nice, lovely, sweet potato melt, cheese and the mushrooms and the onions, everything kind of get into one. And I hope Lady likes it. So I'm going to plate up a little morsel for her. Lady, are you a big eater?
No, I'm not. Look
You're
at
not.
me. I eat to maintain
You mean?
this.
So I have grown to real love sweet potatoes. So when you tell me sweet potatoes,
Very good.
I'm inside. I'm inside. So just a little lettuce and tomatoes. This is a perfect side dish, I think, for a vegan Christmas table.
Okay.
Nice and hot to blow and take it to taste.
Blow. I like my food very hot, eh?
You like your food hot?
Very hot.
Then I will. Let you.
Let's see. Let me see. You could cook good. Yes, tastes nice.
Yeah.
What? I better bring it home for Christmas.
Yeah. I could make a vegan Christmas table for Lady and the entire Montano family. Guys,
Very
we're coming
nice.
back because the King of Soca, new release, new book on the market, and it's now available nationwide. When we come back, we talk to Lady about this whole project of the King of Soca.